What drives us? It's our DNA. Passion to make the world a better place. Dedicated to feed our world. Driven to help build our world. We are reliable to help transport and move the world. Innovative to help save lives and create new advanced solutions for our ever-changing world. We go that extra mile to provide unmatched quality and service. And just like that, these are the traits that run deep in our bones. Founded with these traits 5 decades ago in Ohio, and today, we are one of the most reliable partners to our customers. A family-owned metal fabricator who believes in not only investing in innovative equipment, but our people as well. We are a partner to our customers, and we know their product and their customers. The farmer who is working in the field, the heavy equipment operator that works on a construction site, the truck driver supplying our world, an operator or tradesmith working on top of an aerial platform, a doctor using a CT scan unit. In order for them to be their best, we have to be at our best as well. Our DNA is in our customer's reliable brand and is stronger with Enterprise on its side. Best-in-class quality and delivery is our standard. Service and direct relationship with all of our customers. An engineering team in complete control over our process, programs, and tooling design. Ready to implement new changes in design, test out new ideas with quick turnaround to continuously improve quality and cost. From the time an idea is put to paper, to testing, to when our customers are ready for them to assemble on their products. Enterprise invests in ideas and opportunities to manage total landed cost for our partners. We are the entire package, and Enterprise is with our customers every step of the way. Relentless pursuit of perfection, superior delivery performance, world-class manufacturing, and problem solving are all the things you get with Enterprise. Right the first time and every time. Enterprise Welding and Fabricating.